At just 19 years old, Jesse Hester is facing a first-degree felony with a punishment range of 5 years to life in prison. The judge agrees to consider deferred adjudication, but then starts asking questions about his tattoo, his family, his drug history, and who lives in his home. What happens next could determine whether he gets a second chance or ends up behind bars for years. Stay with us, because this hearing takes an unexpected turn.
Court is calling 2026 CR 003517 State versus Jesse James Noel Esther. Can I have parties announced?
Letter now for the defense.
And are you Mr. Hester?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery that you review with your client?
We have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hester, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State proceeding as presented.
Proceeding on count one, waiving count two.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
And count one, you're charged with possession with intent to deliver 4 to 200 grams. Felony one, that's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, I do not have to follow your plea. If I don't follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call them the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Hester, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Absolutely.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 8 years in prison. State is opposed to your application. This is run concurrent with 2026 CC 008057. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then at count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Judge, reference to exhibit number one, including all of that.
Except for the modification I made to reflect the correct plea, we have no objections.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call them the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Does he have criminal history?
No, that's not good.
All right. So, here are your choices. 1, defense. If you want to waive PSI, you can waive PSI. I'll grant his application for deferred adjudication. If you are given a motion to revoke, you're looking at potentially life in prison.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is with the bunny tattoo?
I was younger, I was stupid, I was bad on drugs.
Well, the bunny tattoo usually means more than being stupid, as you say. And I will put you on GPS,
I'm fine with
and
it.
people will be coming to your house on a regular basis. Do you live in Bear County?
No, I live in Medina County.
We don't feel this is outside the county, Judge.
Well, counsel, you have to find out information through probation about Medina County because one, I'm going to want him on GPS if I were to grant his application. And Medina County, there's probation there, a probation officer there. You have to make sure that Medina County is willing to do field visits because he needs field visits. And I don't feel that the community will be protected if field visits are not done with him. And who lives in this household with you?
My mom, my dad, my little brother, and my little sister.
And how old are they?
My mom and dad are both 28.
No. I'm talking about the children.
My little brother is, I think, 16, and my little sister is 11.
Yes, so that's what I'm gonna need. So when do you think you'll have that information for the council?
I have no idea, Judge. Maybe 2 weeks, figure that out.
Okay. And if you're drug tested today, what would the results be?
All negative.
Okay. All right, Norma, recall this in 3 weeks. Are you waiving PSI, counsel?
Yes, sir.
Recall in 3.
August 20th.
Oh, August 20th. I'm not going to be here.
You want it the week before, or do you want it the week after?
Do you want it the week of the 10th, council, or the week of the 24th?
I prefer the week of the 24th, Judge.
All right, put it down for August 24th. All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, once he signs the reset form.
All right. So-
Probation will just be back on August 24th. The defense has agreed to waive PSI.
The judge gave this 19-year-old a chance, but made it clear that one serious violation could put him right back in court facing up to life in prison. With GPS monitoring, drug testing, and home visits on the table, this second chance comes with serious consequences. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see more intense courtroom moments, real judicial decisions, and cases where one decision can change everything, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the next case.